Hey guys, this is Jacob and I am at the Barber Motorsports Museum in Birmingham, Alabama. I am shooting a large group portrait for a charity today, and I wanted to give you some behind the scenes action. So follow along with me and let's see what happens. So behind me is the scene where we're going to do the group portrait, and as you can see, it's a bit of a confined space, and we have a potential to have up to 35 people who are going to appear in this shot. This is really a challenge because, it's all about grouping and finding a place for everyone, and it took a lot of pre-production to get this done. Okay, so let's break down this shot really quick. Because we have so many people in this picture, it's going to be a difficult shot to begin with. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my camera on a tripod at an elevated position. And what this is going to do is allow me to look down on everybody and have a clean shot of their faces. Additionally, what I'm going to do is group them in different spots around the scene so that they're not all clustered in one place. And in order to properly light everyone, I'm actually going to take my light and shoot each group individually. I'll take one shot of one group with the flash, move the flash, take another shot of the group with the flash, and then I'm going to superimpose them onto a clean slate. And what a clean slate is a base picture that I'll take before anybody even steps in the shot. And so that way I can go into Photoshop and have everyone properly lit and properly organized and grouped, and it just makes things so much easier. Not here, okay, let's do 9, 10, 11. Who's 9, 10, 11? 1, 2, who's 11? There we go, come on this way. All right, so we're gonna do, yes, so yeah, you guys are gonna be over here. Great, okay. No. You might lose a hand if you touch the car. So sir, if you'll stand right here. Okay, and ladies, if you'll go like shoulder to shoulder in front. Oh, come in front actually. And turn this way, good, and slide this way. And kind of come this, I'm sorry, cut this way, there we go. And slide forward this way. And everybody move this way a little bit. There we go, shuffle, shuffle, great, awesome. Okay. All right. Isn't it lovely? Okay. Up. Excuse me, guys. Now, guys, if you can give the tripod some room, excuse me, I'm sorry, could you back off the tripod a little bit? Be very careful, this is very expensive equipment and I don't want to damage it. There we go. Okay. Yeah, put your hands in front. There we go. Taking a picture. Hold that. Okay. So if you guys can make a parallel line along this crack. Step forward. There we go. And turn your bodies this way. Yeah, that way, and kind of like slide into each other. Be close, don't be shy. There we go. We're all friends here today. Perfect. And slide this way. A little bit more. And get real close together, don't be shy. Shimmy. Perfect, just like that. Hold it right there. A couple more. Okay, so now we've jumped into Photoshop and I'm going to show you the process by which I take all of these images and put them together. We're going to start with the clean slate, and as I mentioned before, the clean slate is a blank image with no people in it, and this is basically going to allow me to have a fresh start to work with and have the best possible result. And you'll see as I click through the images, you'll see each individual group pop up on the screen. And what I'm going to do is go one group at a time and superimpose each group into their section. And here we have the finished photo. If you watch me click through all the layers, we'll just turn these off. And as you can see, everyone is perfectly positioned and in their place, and there's the blank slate. Gonna turn it back on, everybody's magically reappearing. And honestly, this seems like it's a lot of work, but in the grand scheme of things, if I was to try and light everybody all at once, I'd have to have, you know, a light over here, everything along the ceiling, and it would just be like a giant mess and also really expensive. I mean, like, who has the money for, like, you know, 14 lights for a single group shot? But thank you for joining me on this creative journey of shooting a 30+ person group shot. It was definitely quite a challenge, but I had a great time doing it, and I will see you next time.